All right, this is 12395 145th Lane in Largo, and I'm on the roof with Rick from Largo Plumbing. He just cleared the line, if you're looking facing the house, the stack on the back right-hand side. So we're going to see what's in here. So far, just seeing a lot of cast iron scale in the line. That's what it looks like. It's kind of little sand piles there on the left. All right, I'm going to locate this. This is the clean out to the house. All right, so we got that clean out located. Line just needs to be jetted to get all that debris out of there.